which I'm gonna send back to you, if you can see it. Great. Okay, so first we have, can't do this right, sorry. So we have our first page, sorry, I'm blanking out. So we have all of our tabs, including all of our sections. If you can see closely. Sorry, light's kind of getting in my way. Okay, it's a lot better. Right? So we go, first part, we have our table of contents. We have our first tab, which is labeled Introduction. So it's my first introduction part. Then as we go to our second tab, it's Demographics and Needs, which is right here as well. You have all the pages. These are my facilities, including my equipments. My gaining support. And then we go into my next tab, which is Program Goals, Philosophy, and Policies. We have our Program Philosophy, Goals, and Policies. Program Philosophies, my curriculum goals, my necessary policies. Breaking down what my policies are, including my waivers, grades, and my physical education placing. Then we have our pullout and our steps to policy achievement. Then we go to our next tab, which is scheduling logistics. And we have scheduling, we have planning implementation, periods, scheduling, my 5 teachers, student placements. Then we go to my next tab, which is program planning. Then we have my program planning, my curriculum usage, my movement education, fitness education, my models I would use in my class course. Then we have my unit maps for course 1, course 2, 3C, 3B, and F. 4B and 4C. Then we have my scope and sequence, my research. Then my next tab, which is labeled assessment for student learning. My support learning assessment. Sorry. We have my domains. Then I have my assessments, including my rubrics, which will be also sent to you. Sorry, it's hot in here. My grade 11 assessments. All right, then we have our program assessment. So our physical education program assessment. Then we go into my reflection. Then we start from the top is our references. So starting all over again with the color-coded tabs. My references, 2 pages, sorry about that. Kind of stuck. Well, my appendix A is my synopsis. My appendix A. Sorry about that. Appendix B, my first research article, including highlights, underlining, so forth. And then the back of it, out of all these pages, my apologies. We have my PowerPoint, my Appendix B. Right? And then we go over, there's my Appendix C, my orange tab, Appendix C. My second research article, right, including underlining of the stuff I used. And then behind this one is also another PowerPoint. my PowerPoint for research article number 2. And then my appendix D, is my physical education model content standards, including the ones I use: high school course 1, high school course 2, so on and so forth. Then there's my framework for my next appendix, which is E. And then I have my appendix F, which is my California Common Core standards. And then my last tab, which is labeled appendix G, is my presentation for the class. And that is my portfolio. And thank you.